Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss real-time scenario or real-time change request or a real-time ticket raised by the client to be configured in the system. Suppose there was a fraud occurred in the past by manipulating the vendor's bank account. Okay, so now the client has come up with the requirement as any changes done in vendor bank account will go to the other user for confirmation. Okay, so for this we'll go to the user for confirmation. So for this, you have to define the sensitive field for dual control vendor. Here you have to select the account type K as a vendor and select field name as bank account. Okay, so this is first configuration. Set sensitive field. Okay, if I log into the system and open the transaction BP to check the bank details for the vendor, and in the payment transaction, here we can see there is a bank details populated. If we try to amend these details, bank details, suppose I've amended this detail, I've changed this bank account number to this. Okay, and try to save it. If you see, system is system is allowing me to save this bank details now. And now I want these details, bank details, to be sensitive, so that if I try to manipulate anything here in the bank account, system will not accept this without the confirmation from your manager. That might be your manager, or maybe the another user which has the authority to confirm these changes. Okay, for that, first we need to go to the SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, accounts receivable and payable, vendor account, supplier account, master data, preparation for creating supplier master data. And if you see this, define sensitive field for dual control. Okay, click on this. Here, this is the vendor account type key. So we are going to add field name. The field name for bank account is, if we try to check it here, let's search with the bank account. Search with the bank account. Here is the bank account. Select this and save. Okay, go back. Go to the BP transaction again, and let's see whether the system is allowing me to change this bank account. Here, if I remove this bank account and I try to add another bank details like this and try to save it, see the changes for vendor, these have not yet been confirmed. So to save these changes, you have to confirm this first, and then system will populate this bank account automatically. Okay, for this you have to log into your you have to request your manager or your approver as per your requirement, but here I'll try to log in with the another system. Okay. 2. Confirm these changes. First we have defined this sensitive field, and then change we try to change vendor bank account. Okay, and now you have to confirm these changes. For this you have to log into the approver log credential user roles by using the approver's user role, and you have to go to the transaction FK08 in that approver's user role. Okay, so go to FK08 to approve the changes. Or supplier name, supplier is this. See, if you see here, the status is to be confirmed because this is not yet confirmed. It is in our bucket. So if you see this, the changes is to be confirmed. Okay, so the approver can confirm these changes or refuse these changes. Okay, if your approver log into the system, he will see this status for your vendor, so they will not get to know like you have updated the bank details, bank account detail. So if he is okay to confirm it, if he is okay for these changes, he will confirm it, otherwise he will refuse it. So this is the sensitive field we have added. So this is the change the client has introduced to avoid any manipulation of the bank details. Okay, so I'll confirm this change and save it. If you see this current status is confirmed. Okay, now save it. This has been changed. Okay, if I go to the transaction BP again, BP, to check whether our bank details are updated now after confirming this. If you see, our new bank details are confirmed now. Okay, so this is how we can so this is one of these real-time integration, real-time configuration, or real-time requirement by the users, requirement by the client or business. You can also add this point in your interview, like if your interviewer asks like what type of ticket or change request you have faced, you can tell this and explain this configuration. Okay, so hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with the more new videos. Thank you.